mother will be okay, I guess. Thank you. What I really like, of course, if you don't mind, would be roast beef with lettuce and mayonnaise. Maybe a little mustard. Peanut butter it is! Sally, we're gonna be late! Calm down, big brother, your sandwich is ready. But I don't know how we're going to carry it. Your lunch bag is broken and we are all out of paper bags. Do you have a pencil? Sure, why? Rat. I told you you had to hurry. The school bus just left. So what do we do now? We walk. Walk? You mean relax?